Hello and welcome back to my video. In this video I will show how you can dynamically push your away from one page to another based on the dynamic way in Nuxt.js routing system. I have this very nice comments and a question from one of my followers, and I really appreciate that. And he asked about how you can dynamic generated the root, and then how you can programming to that, like the name from the dynamic root. And I really love to show you how you can do this. So let's going back for our editor. This is our editor here, and what we can do, it's we first want to build a button here. So I'm going down here to GitHub and say go to my own page dynamic here, and then I want to move the blank, and I want to build a click. So what we do here is say click and trigger my own function. It's just a sample function here, so you can do whatever you want. And then we go down here to the export default and say methods, and need to go inside and build a method here. And then we say this router push, and then we need two things here. And of course you need the name and the param. So the name here, I will build the name in a second, and then we need the params. Let's keep it inside here, so it's empty. And going for your page folder here and say the new directory, and we can call it add. That's what he asked about. And then we need the new view component, and we call it _id. So now we have the add and the ID, and I will just go inside here and say hello world, and then we go inside here saying route and params, and then we save it. I will going for my page here, so just giving me 1 second, and then I will going back. So let's change to the page again. Here we have it, and then we can say add, and we can say 1 2 3 as a demo. Here you can see we have the ID and the 1 2 3 if we have the UL as we expect. I can zoom in here so you can see it. Sorry for the low one. And then we're going back, and you can see we have something here to 200. That's fine. And I'm going back from my editor, and what we have here is the name. So we're going back for the index file again, and when you build a dynamic, it's know it, so it will say add IDs because we have the add folder, and the ID underscore will be ignored. And then we can say the params, and we're going to say ID should be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So let's save this, and we should have binding it, and reload the page. And if I'm going up here, and you have changed the page. So that's how you dynamically can code if you use the Nuxt.js dynamic routing control. And I really hope you enjoy this video. And one more time, thank you for the subscriber. I have the asking me questions, so if you have any questions, please make them in the comments fields below. I'll try to answer them, and if I can help you with your problems, I will do that. And of course, I hope you want to subscribe my channel after watching this video, and I hope you want to share it with your friends and hit the like button. Remember, subscribe in the link below, and I will thank you for your time, and I hope to see you next time.